to change language on Character AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Character AI. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Character AI application on your mobile device and ensure that you are already logged into your account. If not, use your credentials in order to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top right, you will be able to see the profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and once you reach your profile page, again at the top right, you'll be able to locate the gear or the settings icon. Simply tap on the settings icon, and then you will be taken to this page. In this page, you will need to scroll down, and at the very bottom, here you'll be able to see the language option. Currently, English language is selected. Now, to see the valuable language, you will need to simply tap on it, and then from here you will need to scroll and find the one that you are looking for. Once you get it, you will need to simply tap on it to select it. Once after selecting it, the app will update immediately. Now after changing your language, you can come back to the home page or the main interface and start chatting in your chosen language. So by following these steps, you can easily change the language in Character AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.